Episode 3: Charging and Battery Management. Before plugging the Peterbilt Model 579 EV into a charger, ensure that the 12-volt disconnect switch, located under the hood, is in the on position. For best results, wait a minimum of 2 minutes after vehicle shutdown to plug into the charger. After being plugged in, the charge port light will blink green to indicate the truck is being charged. There may be a small delay between the time the truck is plugged into the charger and when the truck begins charging. If charging does not begin after a small delay, usually less than a minute, restart the sequence by first unplugging the charge cable and then turning off the low voltage disconnect and then back on before attempting again. Wait at least 1 minute before attempting to charge again. When the truck recognizes that it has been plugged into a charger, the green plug connect telltale indicator will illuminate on the instrument cluster. The Model 579 EV has a maximum vehicle charge rate of 150 kilowatts. Charge speed will be determined by either the vehicle or the charger maximum power rating, whichever is less. Let's discuss the SOC, or state of charge. The SOC of the high voltage battery system denotes the remaining usable energy. With 150 kilowatts, level 3 DC charging, the batteries charge in as little as 3 hours. Charge speed slow when the battery is close to 90% full. This slowdown occurs when the battery is synchronizing the energy levels between each cell within the battery. This process is called battery balancing, and it occurs during the last 10% of charging. So, to get the most from this battery-powered truck on a daily basis, a driver may need to charge the battery system in the middle of a work shift to extend range. This is called opportunity charging. Opportunity charging maximizes an electric vehicle's productivity by allowing the driver to add critical range in a short amount of time, especially during a limited time window, like the driver's lunch break. In order to maximize the Model 579 EV's overall battery health, the batteries need to be charged to 100% at least once a week so that battery balancing can occur. The Peterbilt Model 579 EV has lithium iron phosphate batteries, and unlike other battery chemistries, charging these batteries to 100% has no negative effect on overall battery life. In order to disconnect the charge cable, charging must be stopped. This can be done via the charger's interface or by pressing the button next to the charge port on the truck. Some chargers are equipped with a physical emergency stop button. It is recommended that you do not use this button to stop the charging sequence, except for emergency situations only. Doing so may result in electric faults with the vehicle. During a normal charge session, the release button on the charge cable is locked to prevent the charge cable from being released, as a safety precaution. When the external plug connect telltale indicator is illuminated, the Model 579 EV cannot be driven. This is an alert for the driver that the truck is still connected to the charge cable. For starting purposes, the 579 EV is equipped with a single 12-volt battery. This battery is also used to power the cab electronics as well. When the truck is running, the 12-volt battery charge level is maintained by a high voltage to low voltage inverter, which works the same as an alternator on a diesel truck. Please note, when the 12-volt starting battery is dead, the truck will not start, even if the main battery system is fully charged. It is recommended to swap the battery out for one that is fully charged, because jump starting may cause damage to electronic components due to the high current. If powering the truck off for an extended period and the truck will not be plugged into a charger, then set the 12-volt disconnect switch to off to preserve the charge in the 12-volt battery. The 579 EV has a CCS1 charging port and a system voltage of 650 volts. Compatible DC fast chargers must have a minimum voltage of 700 volts. For AC charging, a minimum power rating of 11 kilowatts is necessary to slow charge. When the truck is charging or running, do not turn off the low voltage disconnect. This may cause damage to the vehicle. Thank you for watching Episode 3, Charging and Battery Management. To learn more about the Peterbilt Model 579 EV, please watch Episode 4, Instrumentation.